Hi guys, this is Madi. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find free copyright sound effects. Let's start. First, open your browser. Then go to pixabay.com. In this step, click on Category and choose Sound Effects. For example, I'm looking for the mouse clicks, so let me type here mouse clicks. After that, choose any sound effect you like. For example, I like this sound effect. Click on Download. Select Save. After that, choose OK. Great! As you can see, it's very easy to find any sound effects with this site. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe this YouTube channel. See you soon in the next video.